take a look at a perfect video I found.
Welcome to Synthesia, the #1 AI video communication platform for business.
Did you see how nicely this girl speaks? But hold on a minute. Which girl? The person you see in this video doesn't exist, and in reality, there's no couch either. None of what you see exists, because everything has been produced with AI.
My name is Alex, and I am an AI avatar, one of more than 200.
And in this video, I will show you how to create such perfect videos without showing yourself, but by having AIs do the work for you. Let's get straight to showing you how this is done. The platform we will use today is called Synthesia, and you will find a link to this platform below in the video description. Click on the link you will find in the description to try out the Synthesia video for free, as there is a trial period to test out Synthesia. Let's see how it works. Here, as you can see, what it does is create videos from text, and to cut a long story short, you don't need to write the text and tire yourself out. You can take ready-made articles you find on the internet. Just drop a link from somewhere. Simply input the idea without even writing it, and the AI will develop an idea for you. We'll see this in more detail later. Or even have ChatGPT write a text on a topic you want to develop, and the AI will do this work for you. So here, as you can see below, there are various avatars. All of these are AIs, obviously, not humans, which are very high definition, have very good resolution, and can be used for YouTube. Marketing, anything you want, for presentations, for professional purposes, and you can choose one from the 200. I think there are over 200 avatars. And here you see how it can be used. There are really many ways you can make presentations, even for your work, for a project, for anything, for coaching, for learning, to conduct a seminar. You can also use them for affiliate marketing to make sales. Promote products, anything you want. It's an excellent tool. And the most important thing, of course, is that the work is done by the AIs, these avatars you see here, which speak many languages, not just English, as we will see later, and you don't even need to show yourself. What I also like about Synthesia is that they incorporate expressions into the AIs. You can have them raise their eyebrows if you say something surprising, take on expressions, nod their heads positively, affirmatively, or negatively. There are many facial expressions. Let's see how these are done in practice. I remind you to click the link below in the video description to try Synthesia's free plan. And then what you'll do is click here on Get Started, or from here, Get Started for free. So here, once you log in, this is the dashboard where you'll be working. There are already ready-made templates to choose from, which I recommend doing so you don't have to create it from scratch. If you want, you can click here to create it from scratch, from a blank template without anything behind it. But there is no reason, as it provides us with ready-made presentations, ready-made videos. You can even change the background. For example, here it is in a park, as you can see. You can place the avatar sitting in an office, in a workspace by the sea, anywhere you want. So here, let's take a look at the 3 main functions. The first is to create a new video using one of these templates, or from scratch with a blank one. Or you can also use this feature where you have an AI assistant that essentially guides you and gives you ideas on what to write. That is, if you haven't even found text or don't know what to develop, you can simply write the idea and it will create a video, a text, and of course a video with avatars using AI. So let's take a look at the basic function, how it works. From here, when you click video, we can choose from many platforms, and along with them, the AI. The template doesn't come bundled with the AI. Of course, this changes the avatar. While here, initially, you choose the background, essentially, the template you want, the one you want to click on. If it's a presentation, if it's, let's say, for advertising, something like that would fit. If it's educational content, here an avatar with a library in the background would be better. So, depending on the purpose you want, it even has medical. In a hospital, depending on what purpose you want, what kind of video you want to make. So let's click here on this to see. These here are called scenes. What are the scenes? Here they will be converted into video. That is, depending on your text, each sentence will correspond to a scene. Usually each scene includes 2 to 3 sentences, 2 to 3 lines. And of course, if you want, you can add more scenes or remove what you don't like. So let's click here use template. Here below, initially, we will write the text. If we click here, greeting your audience and introducing your topic. Note in the preview that the lips do not move as it speaks. When you produce the video later, it will normally read the text, take on the expressions, and the avatar will speak normally. From here, we can change the avatar. Here you see there are various avatars you can choose from, each with different voices. Also from here, from the space, you can change the environment where the avatar is located. This is what I mentioned earlier. You can type something here or click on one of these options. Suggested images. There is a cafe, a restaurant, various spaces, offices. Let's click here on home to see what it will show. Here you can see images of a home. You can also change it from here. And of course, you can choose how blurry you want it to appear. From here, you can increase or decrease it. Here you see the house isn't visible at all, or you can remove it completely. Here at 0%, the image clearly shows that it's in a house. Or, if you want to, make it look like it was actually shot with a camera, because professional cameras usually create this blurry effect in the background. Next, you can also change the opacity, meaning how dark or how bright you want the background image to be, from here. And why do we do this? Because sometimes here, of course there is a blue frame and the letters are white, but sometimes in other templates, this blue frame is not present. As a result, if the background is white, like it is here where it's a light color and the letters are also white, the letters don't show up well. Therefore, if you're advertising a product, if you're promoting a product, if you want someone to read the title you've written here, it will be a bit difficult. So if you reduce the opacity from here, the screen darkens, and therefore the letters become easier to read. Also, from here you can replace the background image. If you have your own and want to set a specific scene, you can upload it from your computer. Or even a video. You can put a video in the background instead of an image. Something moving, people walking, anything. Next, here you can write in any language you want. We mentioned that you write the text here. What is also impressive is the tone of the voice. When you write the text here, if you click here on the voice, you can see that here, probably here, there are various tones. For example, if you want it to be, let's say, customer service, for that tone of voice. If you want it to be more compassionate, more human, more engaging, more friendly, you see here there are a lot of tones. Natural tone, natural 1, natural 2. And from here, of course, you can click to hear how it sounds. Video and introduction you. This is the natural tone. Let's say the specialist, the expert, experience you video, and introduction you topic. As you can see, it has many voice tones. If you don't like how it sounds, now, what it has. And introducing our topic. Yes, this is a bit more melodic as it says, so I would change it. If I had to make a presentation to showcase a product and wanted something more professional, I might choose customer service or expert, the expert video and introduction, or friendly, etc. Then again from here, if you click back to all languages, you can see which languages are available. And if we select Greek, as you can see, Greek is also available. Let's test this as well. So, we set it to Greek, so let's write something in Greek. Good evening, how are you today? Let's see how we'll say it. Good evening, how are you today? Not that at all. Not that at all for AI. As you can see, it does a very good job even in Greek. And, of course, from here we have Alex, the avatar Alex. You can completely change the avatar as well. You can add a new narrator. From here, you also add scenes depending on how much text you have to create this video. And then you can also add background music from here. Again, there are many pieces here to add depending on the type, of course, and the purpose of the video. Then from here, from the text, you can add other titles, paragraphs, etc. to write text. From the shape option next to it, you can add symbols, arrows, anything. And from the media option, it's what I mentioned to you earlier. If you want, instead of a static image in the background, to have a moving video to make it look more interactive, as if it's in a real space, in a real office with people working in the background. Or even upload your own video from your computer. And then, after you do that and add all the scenes you want, you can generate your video from here, from the Generate option, download it to your computer, and upload it for marketing purposes, advertising, content creation, to use it in your business for whatever purpose you want. So, Synthesia is a good platform to do this job for you for many business purposes as well as personal use. I will leave a link for Synthesia in the video description below so you can try out the free plan it offers, and as always, stay away from scams and see you in the next video.